I'm Dr. Bronwen Davis. I'm one of the psychologists who works here. One thing that I've come to find is really important to think about is the importance of play. When I'm referencing play, I'm really talking about a whole lot of different activities or behaviors, not one thing in particular. Solo play, maybe a child playing just on their own, but it could also be more interactive play. The thing that I think can be most helpful to think about is more a state of play. That state of play allows children to safely kind of explore the possible. There's work in elementary school, so with more school-age children. Researchers are suggesting to back off on some of the rules in the playground. What they found in some of these schools is that they're having really surprising outcomes, reducing outcomes in terms of like bullying, reducing the amount of vandalism or serious problems, and also increasing the concentration in the classroom, motivation and engagement. So you can see there's all these wonderful outcomes associated with play. What's maybe surprising to some of us is that some kids need a little bit of help with play. So yeah, maybe it's natural in some ways, but it might not come easily or naturally to every child. So it is important for kids to have the opportunity to be playful in therapy so they can feel safe and then they can explore the possible, right, in terms of their environment and their feelings and their behaviors. And sometimes that may look like play therapy where you have a therapist working with a child, and sometimes you may have more people involved in that. Maybe parents are part of that too, maybe the whole family, and sometimes of course, you can have other approaches that just use play. Something like a more cognitive behavioral approach can still draw upon play within sessions. It can still be helpful to think about this idea of play and trying to sort of facilitate that state of play so that everyone, the therapist and parents together, can also explore the possibilities of new behavior and new possibilities, ways of being.